Hello everyone, welcome back to Press for Better Adventures. This is going to be an exciting one because we are traveling from Big Sur all the way up to San Francisco. There's so much to see along the way. I have done this a few times, but I have never documented it in this way. So I'm actually really excited to take you guys along and just share some of my favorite places along the coast. I just stopped at the grocery store and realized that my fridge is no longer working, so I have to rewire it. This cord, we love this for me, came unhooked. It's been really warm in here and I really want an iced coffee. I just got these ice cube trays that I'm excited to make an iced coffee with, so I have to rewire my fridge and get a bunch of new groceries. I can't always show just the pretty parts of the adventure. I have a drawer under my bed and I basically just have to take the fridge out, rehook them, and then hopefully it works. Now we're off to get some groceries. Time for a strawberry break. They told me that the seals are pregnant, so we have to be quiet, which is so cute. Here's our sign to get some strawberries. And an AeroPress. I just dropped the AeroPress down the cliff, so I'm gonna have to go try to go get it, but I feel like I'm not gonna be able to find it. Just wrapped up in Santa Cruz at Verb, heading to the coast to take some photos. I'm currently in Davenport. Look at how beautiful.